Good morning, birthday girl.
I'm making coffee.
Making coffee. And Elijah's making the breakfast.
And then we got the bacon and the eggs out yet. But we have the fruit.
He's so great for that. And now we're just making our coffees. And there's Kendra. Good morning.
Good morning.
Starry.
We can do another one.
So big.
Well, we don't have to go that far
We'll
back.
have to go this far back. Going.
You'll get that back in about 6 to 9 months.
69 months? No, 6 to 9 months. I keep my ladies fed.
Using my fingers because we love it. Look at this little baby one.
We just finished eating breakfast. Now we're gonna do our makeup to get ready for the beach because that's what we're doing today. Since it's Grace's birthday, we're gonna go down to the beach and have like a full beach day and a bonfire tonight and make s'mores. So that should be fun. I'm gonna play Giving Cunt. Oh. Giving Cunt. The other one on too. Almost forgot my sunscreen. The one thing I tell everyone to wear and I fucking forget it. Look who it is.
Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video today.
Okay, and then here's Kendra. I'm wearing my Skims tank top. Love. With my Abercrombie linen pants. With my, I don't know where this swimsuit is from. I think it's from like Bright Swim or something. And
Said in your last vlog.
my Berkeys.
I'm wearing a white brandy shirt, these brandy striped pants, and a black, I think it's called black bow swimsuit. It has little charms. Oh god, I'm not gonna be able to show them.
Kendra.
It's a little
Little
charms. It's time to go to bed. I'm just so happy.
Oh. Move your guy at, Elijah.
Trying to get the cooler ready.
I'll just bring it.
I mean, hi, YouTube.
Give me a kiss. No, you have to kiss the side of the camera. Perfect. No. Cuck mommy, come here, cuck mommy.
I'm coming up, mommy.
Cuck mommy.
What?
Wait.
Grace looks so stunning, dancing girl.
That was cute. So we finally got to the beach and it's called 1,000 Steps, right?
Yeah.
1,000 Steps, and we have to go down this really deep like stairwell to get there. But we can do it.
Easy peasy.
We'll be fine. But that's basically what we're up to right now. We're just gonna go chill on the beach for a few hours because once we get down there, we're not coming back up. So
I'm not leaving.
I'm not leaving. Grace, Elijah, and Kendra are in the water right now. and it's really warm. It's overcast, so it's kind of warm, but it's also really sunny to the point where I can't open my eyes. I'm also thirsty, so I think I'm gonna end up grabbing one of the drinks that we brought. I'm so tired right now. I could fall asleep. I also have like vertigo from coming down those steps. It really fucked up my head. My legs are like super wobbly right now. I also hate the beach sometimes because I get so like self-conscious of like what I'm wearing or like my body. My body dysmorphia is really starting to come through again, but it's very warm and it feels good. Oh no! It's so warm in my eye. It's time to reapply my sunscreen. I can feel myself like burning.
Honestly, probably same.
Elijah, are we gonna grab a coffee after this?
We can.
That sounds really good.
I've never turned down a coffee.
Of course. You guys need to get one of these for your purse.
Yeah?
Squat down there.
It's this face sunscreen, and you put it on your hands and like your neck. I think we're almost done here. We're just finishing up our tan. We're just finishing up our tan, getting that sun-kissed glow, and then me and Elijah want coffee, so we're gonna go grab. And Kendra, we all want coffee. We're heading out. We're packing all of our stuff right now. I know, I'm so sorry, it's so windy. But we're all packed up. And now we have to go back up those stairs. But at least we have a reward at the end. We're gonna go grab coffee.
Good, how are you? I need the churros. There we go. McDonald's. Okay.
Look at all those little heads bobbing in the water.
Fit check. My whole outfit is from Brandy.
Brandy, Lulu, Abercrombie, Birkenstocks.
Lulu, and then more Birkenstocks and a Carhartt hoodie.
Phillies and Brandy.
We're gonna go to Huntington Beach. They have these really cute fire pits there. And we're just gonna do s'mores and enjoy the vibe. We got a little mini bundt cake for me to have on the beach with the girls, of course, and Cookie. But yeah,
We're getting Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. It's really just Chihuahua Cerveza on the peninsula. If you know, you know.
It's been a few hours since we got back from the beach the first time, and now we're going back to a different beach. And I got kind of red today. Did you guys get red? Grace got red on her face.
I think I got a little pink.
I got red on my shoulders.
Skin is just so gorgeous. Oh my god.
It looks airbrush. You look like a porcelain doll.
Thank you.
Are you
Little
kidding?
porcelain doll.
Can you guys stop talking about me?
See, this is why I'm a licensed esthetician, so that my own skin looks very amazing, so I can not look like I'm 45 when I'm
What's it called?
25.
Like there's-
bare.aesthetic.studio.
There you go, bare.aesthetic studio.
Your coochie wax.
Get your coochie wax.
facial, anything you need.
Get your craft wax.
Yep, and the crack. Chihuahua. I just licked my lips and they tasted a little salty. I was in the ocean today. I'm gonna get the California burrito. It looks really yummy. I got the California burrito. She got the carne asada burrito. And Elijah got the surfer burrito. I can't wait to fuck it up. I'm so hungry. And I haven't had a burrito since yesterday. I had a breakfast burrito.
Oh, this is
It's so cold.
No. birthday. Oh my god. Hey guys, we got the fire started finally. Thank God. Success. Elijah did it. Now we're just watching the sunset and we're probably gonna take some pictures. Look at how pretty the sunset is, if it'll even fucking focus. He's proud of his creation of the fire.
Home Depot man.
We're gonna roast some marshmallows now. My horns are coming out. It's embarrassing.
Your stick. My lady.
I'm okay right now.
I figured you were good.
Let's start with one. You put it on the wrong way.
Oh.
Put it on the wrong way. What is that? I like that autistic man.
Can you hold my balls for me? Thank you. Here's your graham and chocolate.
Can you hand it to Bridget?
No.
That's just hot.
I'm double fisting it right now.
All right. Thanks.
I'm not worried about job or school.
Oh, look, I'm in the background.
I'm just busy chasing a little virus.
Bridget, you're on fire. Bridget, you're on fire.
Bridget, you're on fire.
You're not close enough because you're having to reach.
That chard. Chard. It's chard, my love. Chard.
Yeah, I think
Let me see if let's FaceTime Walt. He loves roasting my marshmallows. It's taking poop. Mine caught on fire. I told you. He also put my marshmallow on the wrong way.
Make sure you put it on correctly this time.
Yeah, don't make me mad. I already had one and I ate it already because I forgot to vlog it, but it was cute and it was so yummy. Grace made me the graham crackers. It's getting puffy. We like the sign of that. It's going like soft to nipple, you know what I mean?
That was really good, Kenya.
I hope they help find that ghost.
Look at that. Good? Oh, it looks good. Really good. I'm okay. Apple. The fire's almost done, so we're probably gonna leave when the fire goes out. And the sunset behind me looks so pretty.
The full moon is out right now.
I feel like we need to listen to the rap.
And I need to go to the moon coal clear.
Wow, those things burn bright. Oh my god.
It's like the full moon. It's calling me, Mark.
The moon is silver. I like silver.